don't look like it. Beach weather. Caribbean Airlines, ATR-72-600 landing. Tobago. There's the coral reef. Beautiful water. We'll land today. Took the whole runway to land. On the runway.
Welcome to Tobago, ladies and gentlemen. The time is now 10 minutes before the hour of 1 o'clock. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. For your safety, you must leave all your hand baggage in its stowed position. The aisle and exits must be kept clear. Cellular phones must not be turned on until you are inside the terminal. Smoking is prohibited until you exit the terminal. Once we have stopped at our assigned gate, you will be invited to disembark. Please remember when leaving to take all your belongings and be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have shifted during flight. These can fall, causing injury to you or others nearby. On behalf of Captain and the rest of the in-flight team, we thank you for flying with Caribbean Airlines. Do have a pleasant day. Thank you and goodbye.
Ah, it's raining.